I'm back. Hey there. It's been a while. And I'm not in Jackson anymore, and I don't own Campbell's Bakery or Campbell's Bakery in Madison or Campbell's Craft Donuts anymore. COVID changed the world and changed our lives. My wife and I saw that we had something of value after COVID, and so we sold everything. We sold the restaurant and the bakeries, and we moved down to Baton Rouge, Louisiana. And for about 3 years, I didn't do very much. I was languishing, I think is the word. In America, we tend to tie ourselves up in our jobs a lot. And I was so tied up in the identity of being the owner of Campbell's that I was kind of lost for a bit. But now I'm found. I have opened Cheesecake Lab in Baton Rouge. We specialize in individual cheesecakes topped while you wait. So come in and see it. I'm about to start uploading more videos again, and stick with me. Thanks.